Good morning, one and all. A warm welcome to all the dignitaries and participants for the inauguration of 5-day Faculty Development Program on Artificial Intelligence held from 22nd May to 26th May, organized by BVRIT Hyderabad College of Engineering for Women in collaboration with Brainovision and National Youth Council of India. I would like to welcome our chief patrons Sri K.V. Vishnu Raju, Chairman of Sri Vishnu Education Society, and Sri Ravichandran Rajagopal, Vice Chairman SVES. I welcome our dynamic principal Dr. K.V.N. Sunita. Thank you for all the support and encouragement for organizing this FDP. Let me introduce the coordinators of the FDP. Dr. Aruna Rao Vessel, Professor and Head of IT Department. Mr. L. Naveen Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of IT. Let me introduce our collaborators, Mr. Ganesh Nagadoddi, CEO, Brainovision, and Dr. Dattachana Murthy, National Executive President, National Youth Council of India, who have supported us right from registrations to bringing in experts for the program. I also would like to welcome all the participants who have enrolled for this online FDP. We have participants from various parts of India attending this FDP. Before we proceed further, let's invoke the blessings of Almighty. Now, we shall hear from our principal, Dr. K.V.N. Sunita.
Good morning, one and all. On behalf of BVRIT Hyderabad, I would like to extend my warm welcome to all the participants for this 5-day FDP on artificial intelligence. During this COVID situation, we all are trying to make the best and sail across the odds with a positive mindset. I am very happy to know that we have received 2040 registrations. This only shows the importance of upskilling in the latest technology trends like AI. I really appreciate each one of you once again for registering for this workshop and utilizing your lockdown period more productively. In fact, Government of Telangana has announced year 2020 as the year of AI. We have been seeing that various trainings, hackathons, certification programs are being organized in the area of AI, ML and deep learning. In line to this, our college in collaboration with Brainovision has come up with FDP with an objective to introduce the participants across various streams to the world of AI and give an insight into how and where it can be used. This FDP is aimed at imparting the skills required to handle the different tools and technologies that are useful during the entire process of research and scholarly communication. Having said this, as a founder principal, I would like to speak a few words about my college. BVRIT Hyderabad is the youngest college started by Sri Vishnu Educational Society in the year 2012. Within 8 years, the college could become one of the best preferred women engineering college in the state of Telangana. The college is accredited by NBA for 3 years for all the 4 branches and accredited by NAC with A grade. We have received an NIRF rank of 147. Our students are fortunate to have mentorship programs with big software giants like Microsoft, Qualcomm, Flipkart and Amazon. We have also made an excellent track record in placements. This year, highest package being 30 lakhs in Amazon and an average pay package being 4 lakhs. Dear participants, hope this FDP proves to be an eye-opening session for beginners and middle-level researchers. Happy learning and best wishes to all. Thank you.
AI has been used to hype a lot of things that stretch the definition of the term beyond recognition. Artificial intelligence is already altering the world. Instead of thinking AI as a single monolithic feature, it is better to envision it as a collection of related technologies that support a common goal. Keeping this in mind, FDP is scheduled as follows. Day 1 session will be about Introduction to AI, how machines are trained by consuming billions of data artifacts from both structured and unstructured sources. Day 2 session will be on how computing systems take decisions with minimal human intervention and how AI systems change behaviors without being explicitly programmed. Day 3 session will be on the major drivers for the growth of AI in verticals such as automotive, finance, and advertisement. Day 4 session will be on different methodologies such as supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms. Day 5 session will concentrate on AI frameworks such as scikit-learn and its implementation using Python with Anaconda as IDE. YouTube private channel link shall be shared via mail to your registered email ID and WhatsApp chat group daily 1 hour before the commencement of the session. Daily quiz and feedback will be held using Google Form, which will be shared via mail to your registered email ID and chat group. Submitting the same shall act as a mark of your attendance. After the completion of FDP, one final feedback will be taken from BrainoVision. If you have any queries or questions, please post it in YouTube live chat window, which will be handled by the subject matter expert from BrainoVision. Regular updates of the FDP will be shared to your registered email IDs and in WhatsApp group. We are witnessing how AI and fourth industrial revolution will impact every aspect of people's lives. Our intelligence is what makes us human, and AI is just an extension of that quality. Once again, I heartily welcome you all for this program. Happy learning. Thank you.